Hey everyone, it's Skye Schooley here, a staff writer with business.com. Today I'll be walking you through a few of the Paychex Flex features we found especially helpful for managing and paying remote employees. Let's dive right in. So Paychex has this thing called Paychex Tax Pay, which is essentially automatic payroll tax administration. This means that they can calculate, pay, and file your federal, state, and local taxes on your behalf. Paychex also has electronic W-2s and 1099s, so those can be sent off to your employees and contractors wherever they may be. Paychex can also offer state unemployment insurance services, which we thought was especially helpful if you have remote employees across various states and locations. And Paychex does offer expert assistance and proactive updates on federal and state business laws. Next is remote employee onboarding. So Paychex has a variety of onboarding features, which can be great for onboarding essentially any employee, but we found a few of them especially helpful for onboarding remote employees. For example, they have paperless onboarding with electronic HR documents and tax forms. They offer e-signature capabilities, so your employees and contractors can sign those forms from any location. And employees can even digitally set up their direct deposit, which, let's be honest, direct deposit is usually the best way to pay remote employees anyway, or at least the easiest. Paychex also has a variety of employee self-service features. So each employee essentially gets their own Paychex account where they can log in and manage their HR information. They can do things like clock in and out, they can manage their breaks, they can submit time off requests and track PTO accruals. They can also update their benefits and view pay stubs. And Paychex does offer e-learning courses where the employee can access that as well. Lastly, I do want to mention the Paychex Flex mobile app. So similar to what other companies offer, this mobile app is available for iOS and Android devices, but it's a great way for remote employees to access their HR information on the go. For example, they can track their hours, they can view their pay, and update their benefits wherever they are. So as you can see, Paychex Flex has a lot of great features for managing and paying remote employees. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And for more business-related content, subscribe to our channel.